हाय, मुझे तो सिंपली आपसे बस यही पूछना है कि आपको जेन्युइनली, सी आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मुझे अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताओ, जेन्युइनली आई वांट टू नो आपको 3 दिन का ये प्रोग्राम कैसा लगा? हाउ यू फीलिंग आफ्टर दिस
प्रोग्राम? बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, क्योंकि बच्चों को मैं देख रही हूँ कि बच्चों को जिस तरह से बच्चे घर पे आते हैं एकदम से, तो मैं बच्चों के अंदर चैन देख तो बच्चे इतने शांत लग रहे हैं। हाँ, आगे जैसे बच्चों को पहले जैसे कंप्यूटर पे बच्चे आते ही बैठ जाते थे, स्कूल से आते तो रिमोट के लिए भागते थे कि मुझे टीवी देखना है, वो बात नहीं है। बढ़िया आराम से शांति से बैठ जाते हैं। बच्चा बोलो बच्चा आप कंप्यूटर बंद कर दो, आपका टाइम हो गया, 1 सेकंड के अंदर बंद हो जाता है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। अपने अपना फॉर्म लेकर आएगी, मम्मा आपका इंटरव्यू लेना है मुझे, तो इंटरव्यू के लिए पूछेगी, अपनी बातें पूछते हैं, मम्मा बताओ मैं आप मेरे अंदर क्या कमी है वो बताओ मेरे को, और आप क्या मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हो। मैंने पहली बार उसको ये देखा कि मेरे बारे में, है मम्मा आप ऐसे फील करते हो, है मम्मा आप ऐसे फील हो, हाँ बेटा, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे।
हमारा तो एम सी म्यूचुअली फ्रैंकली, मतलब आप दोनों, हाउ यू फीलिंग आफ्टर 3 days? आई हैव थिंग्स चेंज्ड एज वी वांटेड देम? यू कैन बी क्रिटिकल ऑल्सो, लाइक आपको ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी, और हाउ फार इज इट सक्सेसफुल?
I never expected too much, so it's good. What I saw is good. What I got, good.
Like have things changed a little bit? Like
Yeah, little bit.
in your child, like कुछ होता है ना, एकदम visible changes होते हैं.
Yeah, slightly.
चलो अभी slightly है. When do you think are you improving more? अभी ज़्यादा एकदम strong तरीके से.
From today, I'm gonna improve myself.
Oh, that's nice. I surely expect that. अभी तक क्यों नहीं हुआ था इतना सारा? अभी 3 दिन वेस्ट कर दिए.
नहीं, I was like, अब पूरा समझ आया हमें.
और थोड़ा टायर्ड भी हो गए होगे कल तो घर जाने के बाद. अब आज तो एकदम फुल फॉर्म में सबको दिखा देना
Confident.
है ना एकदम. ठीक है, पक्का. All the best. Thank you.
Okay.
Nice talking. बताओ, how you feeling after the whole idea?
It was great. It was great to be a part of Zenith. Like Shaurya has become more confident, and like our relation has become more powerful. You know.
That's definitely what. Something you would like improvement, as in, that's genuine. What else?
Okay. In improvement, I want declaration part to be more, in the manner it should be declared.
Right.
A little bit.
1 घंटे तक कितनी शैतानी की है नीचे बता दूं. He was continuously playing with the cell phone. I was like, ले. चलो never mind. But you feel there is some change at least as for now. Like अभी तो 3 दिन का effort था. I mean definitely it has to be mutually going on and on.
Yeah. I mean like.
No, one thing I just want to add is that at least I have learned that there was something missing in me. The listening was missing in me. So at least I will start listening to them, and that is more important.
That is really nice to get from you. I mean, trust me, दोनों अभी listening वाली चीज हो जाएगी ना, then तो you will definitely be like अभी एकदम मस्त हो जाएगा. चलो, thank you, nice having you here. Bye.
Hi.
So, how do you feel? Genuinely.
Okay. I want to say only few words. That Zenith, you are great. I want to see you on heights.
So thank you.
Thank you.
So much.
She was full of energy, and it's not only me, actually she shared with more people in her life. She called her grandmother, she called her aunt, and she took interviews from them also. So that's kind of exposure she got, that she was not limiting herself just to her mother and father ki bhai mama bolengi ya papa bolenge. She was unlimitedly, she was like full of energy, and she wanted to explore. And that was wonderful, because she expressed herself that, Mama, I took an interview from Dadi, I took an interview from Aunt, and I said that's wonderful. So she
Usually आप दोनों को comfort level अभी लग रहा है कि जैसे
very
girl
much,
mom talk होती है.
very much, because it was always there कि I used to speak, और थोड़ी देर बाद बच्चों की listening जैसे switch off हो जाती है. So it was there that she was speaking, and the way she was communicating with me last night, it was like exactly what I want to speak. So it was so, yes, and this all credit goes to Zenith. Wonderful.
Credit goes to you, my dear.
Yes,
You
the
did
power.
it. You really did it. And promise me you will continue this long. Sure? Yes. Hearing फिर मम्मी का फोन आना चाहिए यार, मजा आ गया. अब तो एकदम genuine. चलो, nice seeing you. Bye.
Proud of her.
Hi. This is one Gucci girl around. So tell me, how do you feel? Like genuinely.
Yeah.
Has she shown all that at home and out?
Yeah, definitely. And I would just like to say that it was a wonderful experience for the children as well as for us. And even I am landmark graduate, and the language which I was using at home, and the things which I always wanted to see in my children. Now I can say that she has got it, and I pray to God that this program Zenith touches and transforms many children and many parents ahead.
Suggestions,
And,
like anything you would suggest to us, because we've just started. We definitely
No, it was really an excellent effort. It was really an excellent. I just can't say that anything better than this could be created. It was really very nice.
So you had fun or not? Like, okay, learning and all is different, but
Had a
did
lot
you
fun.
enjoy?
Yeah,
Like,
had a lot fun.
सुबह से शाम तक ये हरियाणा must be like 10 to 5.
No,
something,
yeah,
but-
first of all, when I listened that 10 to 5, I was like 7 hours, okay. But when I came here, then, yeah, I had a lot of fun.
But you promise you will continue this
Yeah.
on the national television.
Yes, I will continue this.
मुझसे ही करो promise.
Promise.
What school are you?
Francis Convent.
Nice. Chalo, have fun. All the
Thank you,
best.
bye.
Nice having you. Thank you.
Hey, hi.
Hi. So, I've been really wondering who is, मैं सच्ची में सोचूं मैं कैसे पूछूं कौन है क्या है, but I've been waiting for this. Trust me, I've been waiting.
But
for this.
I will definitely say thank you to you today.
Oh,
Thank you.
also, and thank you to you also. आपकी वजह से वो मुझको thank you बोल रही है. You did that. Thank you. So you will continue that.
Definitely.
आपको लेकिन एकदम बड़े वाला चेंज कैसा लगा? Like, did she really do it? वो जो हमें फोकस था हमारा घर आके उसने किया वैसा कुछ आपको फील हुआ?
Actually, Anika, she's already a very, very matured child. So, not like, there was no blast as such. But yeah, there was definite positive change in her. Definitely in the approach, in the attitude, definitely, yes.
It's a good start. We wanted our child to have a good time. Okay, and that we can, confidently say that yes, she had a great time.
Thank you.
When she went back yesterday, the kind of questions her actions, small actions, they were speaking a lot.
Right.
Okay, and which we were not expecting it.
That's even better to know.
Yeah. So we were not expecting it. So those small changes now, that's very important. And what I also personally feel, I was just telling him that these kind of programs, the elders, we have attended so many of them, and we keep getting opportunity. For the kids, it was probably one of the unique programs. We have never seen such thing. So we would request you guys to keep on doing it.
Definitely, with all your support, we are
Yes.
on the go. Definitely, because this was our observation as well. We were taking care of the things. Kis level where they were getting concentrated. Right?
Exactly. But see, you'll have your hurdles in the beginning. So, well begun is, that's all matters
And
actually.
you do make point that you will keep supporting.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thanks.
So, all of you, very
Thanks.
happy New Year.
Very happy New Year, and God bless.
Thank you. So, you guys had fun? बहुत low fun है. So, आप बताओ, how do you feel? Like, ठीक है, इनको थोड़ा कम मजा आया.
No, they really enjoyed. They enjoyed and they gained a lot from this experience.
Do you think you accomplished something like that?
Definitely. See, हमेशा change बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं होता है. What we've done here is, and which is very important, is before that gap develops between a parent and a child, to open that channel of communication and to build a bridge, so that कि जब बाहर से peer pressure आता है, कुछ होता है, तो that bonding is always there. This is like that, like having vitamins before, so that the disease doesn't develop at all. So this is what has happened over here. So अगर आप पूछो apparent change, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा change, that is not there. But we've laid a foundation of something. We've opened up a channel of communication, and let's go forward from there. And
You
that is.
promise you will keep it going लंबे time तक? Of course. And you too. Chalo, all the best. And
Thank you so much.
Nice having you. Happy New Year.